In today's video, we'll take you on an unforgettable journey through the incredible diversity and rich culture of the Philippines. Let's dive right in. Number 1, Archipelago Paradise. Did you know the Philippines has 7,641 islands? Many of these remain unnamed and unexplored, offering endless adventures. Each island boasts its own unique charm, from the pristine beaches of Palawan and Boracay to the lush mountains of Luzon and vibrant coral reefs of Cebu. It's truly a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Number 2, linguistic diversity. With over 170 languages, the Philippines is a true mosaic of cultures. Filipino and English are the official languages, but regional languages like Cebuano, Ilocano, and Hiligaynon add to the country's rich linguistic tapestry. This diversity is not just a matter of language, it's a reflection of the Philippines' vibrant and multifaceted heritage. The Philippines is a predominantly Christian nation. As the only predominantly Christian country in Asia, over 86% of Filipinos are Roman Catholic. This deeply influences the nation's traditions, celebrations, and daily life. Religious festivals such as Sinulog in Cebu, which honors the Santo Niño, and the colorful Pahiyas Festival in Quezon, celebrating the bountiful harvest, highlight the Philippines' deep spiritual roots and colorful nature. Number 4, the Philippines has the world's largest pearl. Did you know that the Philippines is home to the world's largest and most expensive pearl? Found in Palawan, the pearl of 𝗪𝗪𝗪 weighs a staggering 75 pounds and is valued at $100 million. This enormous gem, also known as the Pearl of Allah, is a testament to the rich marine biodiversity and natural treasures hidden within the Philippine waters. Number 5, extended Christmas celebrations. Filipinos are known for their love of celebrations, and Christmas is no exception. The Philippines celebrates the world's longest Christmas season, starting in September and lasting until January. The streets come alive with festive decorations like paroles or Christmas lanterns and joyful parties. Unique traditions like Simbang Gabi or Dawn Masses and Noche Buena or Christmas Eve feast make the holiday season even more special. Number 6, musical talent. Music is deeply ingrained in Filipino culture, and their vocal talents are known worldwide. From local karaoke sessions where every gathering turns into a musical celebration to international stages, Filipino singers like Lea Salonga, who starred in Miss Saigon, and Arnel Pineda, the lead singer of Journey, have made their mark globally. Music is truly the heart and soul of the Philippines. Number 7, text capital of the world. The Philippines is renowned for its social media and texting habits, earning the title text capital of the world. Filipinos send billions of text messages daily, reflecting the country's high mobile phone penetration and tech-savvy population. It's no wonder that staying connected is such a big part of everyday life here. Number 8, tarsiers. Meet the tarsier, one of the world's smallest primates, known for its huge eyes and excellent night vision. These adorable nocturnal creatures are found only in the Philippines, primarily in Bohol. Visiting a tertiary sanctuary offers a unique opportunity to see these fascinating animals up close while supporting conservation efforts. Number 9. English proficiency. Thanks to a strong emphasis on English education, the Philippines ranks as the 5th largest English-speaking country. English is widely used in business, government, and education, making it easy for tourists to communicate and navigate their way around. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Manila or the serene beaches of Palawan, you'll find it easy to connect with the locals. Number 10. Selfie enthusiasts. Filipinos are the world's most enthusiastic selfie takers, and this love for self-expression through photography is celebrated everywhere. In 2014, Manila was even dubbed the selfie capital of the world. From beautiful landscapes to every moments, Filipinos love capturing and sharing their lives to the world. Number 11. Unique street food. Filipino street food is an adventure in itself. The famous balut, which is a fertilized duck embryo, is a popular and unique snack that you have to try at least once. Other beloved street foods include isaw, which is grilled chicken intestines, taho, which is sweet tofu with syrup and tapioca pearls, and halo-halo, a mixed dessert with shaved ice and various sweet ingredients. These treats offer a taste of Filipino culinary creativity and tradition. Number 10. Distinctive transportation. Traveling around the Philippines means experiencing its unique modes of transport like tricycles, jeepneys, and calesas. Jeepneys, originally made from U.S. military jeeps left over after World War II, are known for their vibrant designs and serve as a colorful symbol of Filipino ingenuity and culture. Each ride is a journey filled with local stories and traditions. Number 13. Global nursing leaders. The Philippines is the largest supplier of nurses globally, with over 25% of nurses in the U.S. being of Filipino descent. Filipino nurses are celebrated for their compassion, dedication, and excellent skills, making significant contributions to healthcare systems worldwide. Their presence is a testament to a strong healthcare education and professional standards in the Philippines. Number 14. Colorful jeepneys. Jeepneys are more than just a mode of transport. They are a cultural icon. These colorful public vehicles are often decorated with vibrant art, religious symbols, and personal touches reflecting the creativity and personality of their owners. Riding a jeepney is an experience that offers a glimpse into everyday Filipino life and country's artistic spirit. Number 15. Unique flag protocol. Did you know the Philippine flag is flown upside down to indicate a state of war? This unique tradition is a symbol of the country's resilience and its history of struggle for independence. The flag itself is a powerful emblem of Filipino pride and identity, with its sun and stars representing the nation's regions. Number 16. Official language evolution. In 1987, Filipino became the official language of the Philippines, replacing Filipino under the new constitution. This change aimed to promote a unified national identity while embracing the country's diverse linguistic heritage. The evolution of the language reflects the dynamic and inclusive spirit of the Filipino people. Number 17. Superstitious beliefs. Superstitions are deeply embedded in Filipino culture, influencing daily life and practices. From avoiding unlucky numbers to consulting faith healers, these beliefs offer a fascinating glimpse into the spiritual and cultural fabric of the Philippines. Practices like pagpag, not going directly home after a wake, and sukob, not marrying within the same year as a sibling, illustrate the enduring significance of these traditions. Number 18, Boxing Legends. Boxing is a beloved sport in the Philippines, and Manny Pacquiao is one of its greatest heroes. His matches often bring the entire nation to a standstill as Filipinos gather to watch their champion in action. Pacquiao's remarkable career and his role as a senator highlight his influence both in sports and politics, embodying the Filipino spirit of determination and excellence. Number 19, Island Country. As one of the world's largest island countries, the Philippines offers an array of landscapes and experiences. From the lush rice terraces of Banawe to the white sandy beaches of Boracay, each island group presents unique attractions that cater to all types of travelers. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, the Philippines has it all. Number 20, Coconut Production. The Philippines is the second largest producer of coconut products globally, exporting millions of tons annually. Coconut products including coconut oil, desiccated coconut, and coconut water play a vital role in the country's economy. The coconut industry also provides livelihood to millions of Filipinos, showcasing the importance of this versatile fruit. Number 21, Polite Culture. Filipinos are known for their politeness and respect, often addressing each other with ma'am or sir, and using respectful terms like ate, older sister, and kuya, older brother. The use of po and opo signifies respect, particularly towards elders, highlighting the country's courteous culture. This politeness is a cornerstone of Filipino social interactions, fostering a warm and friendly atmosphere. Number 22, Filipino Time. Ever heard of Filipino Time? It's a cultural phenomenon where arriving a bit late for events is the norm. This relaxed attitude towards punctuality reflects a laid-back lifestyle that values personal interactions over strict schedules. While it may take some getting used to, it's part of the charm and hospitality that makes the Philippines so endearing. Number 23, Shopping Malls. Love to shop? The Philippines is home to some of the world's largest shopping malls, including SM Mega Mall and SM Mall of Asia. These malls offer an incredible shopping experience with a variety of shops, restaurants, entertainment, and recreational facilities. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion, delicious food, or fun activities, these malls have something for everyone. Number 24, Basketball Enthusiasm. Basketball is immensely popular in the Philippines. The Philippine Basketball Association, or PBA, is Asia's first basketball league, was founded in 1975. Basketball courts are a common sight in neighborhoods, reflecting its status as a national pastime. From local barangay leagues to international competitions, Filipinos' passion for basketball is undeniable. Number 25, Jollibee dominance. Jollibee, the top fast food chain, surpasses McDonald's in popularity and sales in the Philippines. Known for its unique menu items like the sweet-style Jolly Spaghetti and the Chicken Joy, Jollibee is a beloved brand among Filipinos. It's more than just fast food. It's a cultural icon that brings comfort and joy to countless Filipinos worldwide. Number 26, largest underground river. Discover the world's largest underground river in Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This natural wonder features stunning limestone karst landscapes and rich biodiversity. Exploring this underground marvel by boat is an unforgettable experience, offering a glimpse into the Philippines' natural beauty and geological wonders. Number 27, love for rice. Rice is a staple in Filipino cuisine, with most meals considered incomplete without it. Dishes like adobo, sinigang, and kare-kare often feature rice as a central element, highlighting its importance in daily life. The Philippines' agricultural regions, especially in Luzon, produce a variety of rice that is integral to Filipino diets and culture. Number 28, multiple daily meals. Filipinos typically enjoy 3 to 4 meals a day, savoring diverse and delicious dishes. Meals often include a hearty breakfast, lunch, merienda or snack, and dinner, showcasing the country's rich culinary tradition. This love for food reflects the importance of family and community, as meals are often shared and enjoyed together. Number 29, major island groups. The Philippines comprises 3 main island groups: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Each offers unique experiences. Luzon is home to the bustling capital, Manila. Visayas boasts beautiful beaches and vibrant festivals, and Mindanao presents lush landscapes, diverse cultures, and rich traditions. Exploring these regions reveals the incredible diversity and beauty of the Philippines. Number 30, Boxing Mania. Manny Pacquiao's boxing matches often bring the country to a standstill. Pacquiao is not only a sports icon but also a senator, highlighting his influence in both sports and politics. His journey from humble beginnings to international stardom inspires millions, showcasing the resilience and determination of the Filipino spirit. Explore, discover, and fall in love with the Philippines. This country is a treasure trove of natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality.